Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do like my oily / combination skin like foundation routine. And this is like really good for the summertime, as it's really good for like when you like sweat a lot, or also like when you're really oily like me. So I'm going to start off with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick and just apply that all over my face. And then I gave you guys options. I either use the Fenty Beauty and 470 or the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 368, and I just apply this all over my face. I use a Morphe M439 brush, and I just like stipple that all over my face, as you can see, and I really like pat this in like that. It's like this foundation is really matte, by the way. Like it's really super duper matte. So as you can see, I don't really like to put a lot of layers, but I put like a kind of a light layer. And then I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop concealers, and I'll take the first one, which is Deep Dark 50, and the other one I use is Dark 48, and I'm just going to apply this right underneath my eyes and all my highlighted areas. This concealer is really full coverage. I love this concealer. It's so inexpensive, and don't mind like the people in the back. It's just my roommate and like her boyfriend, so yeah, sorry about that. And yeah, I'm just going to pack this all over my face and then blend it out with a Real Technique sponge. Like put it into the areas. I don't put a lot of the concealer on. I try not to, because I realize how like really full coverage it is. So I don't want it to be like too highlighted or whatever, but here I kind of went in a little bit too much. So just notice that when you put in the ColourPop concealer, a little goes a long way. And then packing onto the with the Real Technique sponge, make sure you just pat it all out and make sure everything is really blended. And like try to have no creasing or whatever. So you don't want to see any lines of demarcation or anything like that. And I just really like pat it into my skin. So I just know, yeah, like I just feel like this helps a lot. If you have a nice concealer and like a nice foundation, it really helps with your like keep your oils to a minimum. And now I'm going to go in my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to set everywhere, basically like all the highlighter areas and a little bit of like kind of the rest of my face. And I take the sponge this time. If I really want to, like if I know I'm going to be out for a long time, I usually use a sponge. If not, I use a brush, because I like how the brush looks. It just looks more natural. But the sponge like makes you, it's like a makeup look. So if you pack in with a Laura Mercier sponge, the powder, the Laura Mercier powder with a like a beauty blender or anything, you're going to get a more full coverage look. So I'm just going to go in. I take a little bit of powder and like work my way up. I try not to do a lot of powder. Sometimes I go overboard, but yeah, I don't want to look casket ready. So and you want to just pack the powder in until it disappears. Like this will just make sure it seeps into your skin. And yeah, it's going to be there when the oils come out. This is a very important step to powder your face so that the oils will not come and attack you. And then I'm going to go with my Black Radiance powder, and this one is in Black Coffee. And I'm just going to, this is what I use to like contour or bronze up my face. I just recently broke it right after this video, so I'm going to have to go get another one. But I really like this color for me. It's like really warm and like not too cool or whatever. So, and I'm taking this brush. This brush is from, it's like an elf brush, and I believe it's called their like bronzer brush. And I'm just going to go in and like where my cheeks are to warm up my face. I used to use cream products. I like how cream products look more in pictures because I feel like it pops more. But when I'm just going like out and like in the summertime, I just use more powders because I'm going to be like sweating and everything. So this kind of also helps with like setting parts of my face. So I put it like right underneath my jawline, my cheekbones, my forehead, underneath my like the bottom of my lip, and I also use it to contour my nose a little bit. And with this, I don't like sharp lines of contour, so I just use this like really fluffy brush so it can distribute the product evenly and not so harsh. And then I'm going to use this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this one is in Deep to Dark, I believe. And I'm going to take those two shades and go in with a MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to basically contour my nose a little more. And I'm going to go right underneath my mouth. I just really like how, like, bringing color back into my face and, like, putting right underneath where my cupid's bow is. Sorry, I just can't talk today. And I'm going to also use this as, like, eyeshadow. So I'm just going to put this a little bit into my crease just to bring some color back. I really like this brush because it's really, like, fluffy, and it's really, like, it moves very nice. So I like it, and it's kind of small. I don't think they sell, I think they sell this brush, but I feel like it looks different now. So yeah, I just took this one from my mom, so thanks, Mom. And I'm just going to go right underneath my eyes. I like how this looks in pictures a lot when I put a darker color right underneath my lash line. I don't know why, it just looks really nice to me. I feel like it opens up my eyes a little bit, and it makes it more noticeable when I have mascara on. Then I'm going to go in with these mascara, and this is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I really like this mascara. I need to go get some more, and it just like makes my bottom lashes pop. Sorry for how the lash application that I have on. I just like I threw these on to go to class, and I don't know. I don't really like how I did it, but it's okay. And now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is a Crown of My Canopy, and this Morphe brush is M510 brush. And I like this brush too because it's really fluffy. Like a lot of fluffy brushes like do a really good job. I'm just gonna apply a highlight like all over the place because I don't know, I just really like to glow. So even though like I'm oily, I just like to glow in the places like I don't really get oily in my top of my cheekbones. My nose gets oily sometimes, but I just like to bring color back and like dimension back into my face. I'm gonna use that same highlighter and put it into my inner corner to brighten up my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the little beauty marks I always do. And I use this e.l.f. eyeliner to do it. A lot of people ask me about this. I don't know why I do. I just like really like it sometimes. I forget. And yeah. Then I'm going to take my NK lip gloss. You know, when I feel like I put in lip liner, which is probably the NK Cocoa lip liner. And basically that's it for this look. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this hair, just stay tuned. My video is coming soon and how I got these beautiful waves. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below things that you want to see. Follow me on Instagram. It's state.of.dallas. And I hope you guys really did enjoy the video. See you next time. Bye.